Yoga with Sajo series of yogasanas. In the last video, I have demonstrated the 5 basic yogasanas with body relaxation. I hope you have performed the warming up exercises and practiced those 5 yogasanas and enjoyed doing it and relaxed your body. If you have missed it, the link of previous 2 videos have been given in the description below. As I had told you that we will be doing pranayam, so today we are going to do pranayam and plus 2 yogasanas. Friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and do not forget to ring the bell. First, we are going to start with a standing asana, that is Vrikshasana, the tree pose. Stand straight and slowly lift your leg up, bend it from your knee like this and touch to your thigh of other leg. Then stretch your hands up like this and join your palms and slowly inhale and exhale. Repeat the breathing slowly and gently close your eyes. Hold this asana for 20 seconds. Repeat the same process from another leg. As this asana is a balancing asana, try that your leg does not come down for 20 seconds. This will improve your balancing capacity. This asana helps to strengthen the ligaments and tendon of the feet. It also strengthens and tones the entire standing leg. Improves stability in legs. Strengthen the bones of the hips and legs due to the weight-bearing nature of the pose. Now slowly take your leg down and hands and relax. For the next asana, we sit down. Now we will do Padmasana, the lotus pose. Stretch your legs in front, then bend your right leg and keep it on your left thigh, and bend your left leg and keep it on your right thigh. Then touch your index finger and thumb like this. This is called mudra, and keep your hands on the knees, keeping your back straight. Slowly inhale and exhale and close your eyes. Hold this asana for 1 minute. This asana stretches the ankles and knees and calms the brain. It increases awareness and keeps the spine straight. This also helps to develop good posture and keeps joints flexible. Now slowly release the asana and relax. Now we are going to do pranayam. Pranayam can help to prevent from stress, keep you calm and relax your mind and body. It levels up your energy. It also improves digestion. So first we are going to do Anulom Vilom. Now sit in Padmasana with mudra and close your eyes. Use the right thumb to close your right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left nostril, taking in as much air as you can to fill your lungs. Remove the thumb from your right nostril and exhale. While exhaling, use the ring finger to close your left nostril and inhale with your right nostril. Remove the ring finger from your left nostril and exhale, keeping your thumb on your right nostril. Repeat this process for 2 minutes. This pranayam helps normalize blood pressure, aids in blood purification, reduces risk of heart disease and can also improve sight. Now slowly relax. Next pranayam is Brahmari pranayam. This pranayam derives its name from the Brahmari, the black Indian bee. The exhalation resembles the typical humming sound of a bee. Close your ears with your thumbs and place your index finger on the temple. Close eyes with the other 3 fingers. Gently inhale through the nose and hold for a few seconds, keeping the mouth closed. Exhale by making a humming sound. Do this process for 2 minutes. It calms your mind instantly and is one of the best breathing exercises to distress as it rids the mind of frustration, anxiety, or anger. Now slowly relax. Next is Ujjayi Pranayam. This is also known as victorious breath or ocean breath. This breathing technique involves a soft hissing sound during inhalation. Begin by inhaling and exhaling naturally. Bend your head down, blocking the free flow of air, and inhale as long as you can, making a sound from your throat. Hold for 2 to 5 seconds. Then exhale, bending down your head. Repeat this process for 1 minute. The sound vibrations that are a part of this pranayam sharpen the focus of your mind, can help cure thyroid and reduce snoring. Now slowly relax. The next pranayam is Kapalbhati Pranayam, known as the skull shining breathing technique. This is a strong deep breathing exercise. This breathing technique involves passive inhalation and active exhalation. So inhale normally, breathing in as much air as you can, and exhale forcefully. Try and pull your stomach muscles as closely as you can towards the backbone during exhalation. Repeat this process for 2 minutes. This pranayam can improve the functioning of all abdominal organs, reduces belly fat, lead to quick weight loss, and balances sugar levels in your body. Now slowly relax. This pranayam definitely relaxes your body and boosts your energy level. You will have a new experience with your mind and body after these pranayam. So viewers, today I have explained you the right technique, pose and benefits of 2 asanas, Vrikshasana and Padmasana, and 4 types of pranayam, Anulom Vilom, Bhramari, Kapalbhati and Ujjayi Pranayam. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel Yoga with Sajid, and do not forget to ring the bell that you will get notified when I upload my next video. We meet again in my next video with a series of yogasanas, Yoga with Sajid. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.